respected headmaster, teachers, and my dear students, on this memorable day, as we celebrate the Liberation Day of Goa, I extend my warm wishes to each one of you present here. Yes, it's a proud moment for all of us Goans. Goa has always been the apple of the eye of India. Beautiful songs have been composed on the scenic beauty of Goa. This tiny state with the lush green fields, mountains, springs and fountains has carved a name for itself on the globe. And zillions of people come flocking to visit this place of ours, that is Goa, paradise on earth. And it is apt to remember the sacrifice of the freedom fighters who have made this change possible, who have given this liberation for us to our state. But my friends, the wheel is spinning, times are changing. We are still under the impression that our future will be the continuation of our present. No. No. It is a change of era. A new era where our future seems to be bleak. Goa is facing a lot of challenges. Example, the challenge of double tracking of railways, the issue of coal, the threat to Mole. And we have seen our youngsters, students, fighting against these issues, shouting slogans like, only goal, say no to coal. Give us what Goa is lacking, not double tracking. They went a step ahead to dance to the tune of a most trending song, that is Jerusalema. Lovely song, lovely dance, nice theme, and the concept that is shown to the people to save Goa. And the silent protest also, yes, of course. Why are these youngsters and students risking their lives in this pandemic? They are risking their lives only to ensure that this pristine Goa will be saved from the clutches of selfish people and their selfish motives. It's the time that the young minds unite and work to break the strings of destruction, to overthrow the forces of darkness. Yes, there is a lot of darkness that is creeping in. Someone rightly said, it is better to light a candle in the dark than to curse the darkness. And where do we get this light? Where do we get this enlightenment and wisdom? In our school. Yes, in our school. And our teachers. They are the ray of hope, pointing towards wisdom, enlightenment, and liberation. My dear students, remember, freedom is not the right to do anything. Freedom is the right to do the correct thing. And as we celebrate this Liberation Day, the only message is do the correct thing to save our Goa. Dear friends, I take this opportunity to thank Father Avinash, the headmaster, for inviting me to grace this occasion. And also remember to appreciate my teachers. I see all of them here. I was a small kid. I studied in this primary section and this school. My teachers are here. We remember the sacrifice that you all have done so that our young minds could be liberated. Thanks for imparting that knowledge. Also the non-teaching staff, your movements, your teaching, not through the classrooms, but your silent gestures, your virtues have always been in our heart. We thank you for that. and I wish this school all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Father, for your words of advice. I would kindly request our headmaster to say a few words.
A very good morning to one and all. Respective chief guest, Father Kennedy Menezes, my beloved Capuchin fathers and brothers, my teachers, my office staff, my students, PTA members, PPA members. Today, I convey my greetings, my wishes, and blessings to all of you. We have gathered here to celebrate 60 years of our Goa's Liberation Day. Goa was under Portuguese for 450 years. Today, all of you are gathered here not to just celebrate, but to pay homage to all our martyrs who gave up everything to give us freedom, what we are experiencing today. And when I say freedom, I remember the famous poet's words, Robert Frost, who says, "Freedom lies in true boldness." I repeat, freedom lies in true boldness. Today we know what's happening in Goa. I don't want to delve into these issues. But we all of us should be bold in our practical day-to-day lives. Today I'm going to give you all 3 tablets of freedom. The first tablet is education. Students, if you don't have good education, you will be half paralyzed. And education plays an important role in our lives. That's the first tablet. The second tablet I want to give you on this happy occasion is that we all of us should know our rights. Whether you're a family member, whether you are staying in society as citizen, whether you are in a school, as teachers, as headmaster, as anyone, we must know our rights. And unless we know our rights, we cannot fight. That's the second tablet. And third and the last tablet is, united we stand, divided we fall. It speaks of volumes of it. If Goans today are not united, we will fall apart. If the student's body or teacher's body is not united, our school will fall apart. Even in our families, if we stay united in prayer and all of us together, then no one can touch the darkness, cannot touch us, the forces of darkness. And this is my 3 tablets for all of you. I take this opportunity to thank our esteemed chief guest, Father Kennedy, who obliged to grace this occasion. He is like our father, a guardian of our friary. He is the one who keeps us united. And I thank Father Kennedy for showing your presence here. Today, if I am a small bird trying to fly, these my brothers are my feathers who are helping me to grow. And not just these fathers, your teachers are my feathers. And at last, but not the least, once again, I wish all of you my hearty wishes on this happy occasion. Mogasu ani Dev Borenkaru.
Thank you, Father, for your words. No program is complete without a vote of thanks. We have Prachi Pawar amidst us, who will now propose the vote of thanks.
On behalf of the Red House, I thank the On behalf of the Red House, I thank the headmaster for giving us this opportunity to organize the Liberation Day program. I would like to appreciate our chief guest who is present amongst us in spite of his busy schedule. I would like to thank the teaching and non-teaching staff who have helped us in various ways to organize this function. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and everyone for being present with us on this special auspicious day. Wishing you all a great and a safe day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, one and all, and a happy Liberation Day.